Hello?
Hello, yes, this is. Can I get in contact with the owner or the purchaser?
Yeah, this is
Absolutely. You the purchaser or owner? Which one?
I'm the owner of.
Owner. Absolutely. All right, yeah. So here at Apex, we're based out of, and we've been in business since 1997. We do in-house custom-made jewelry and also any and all repairs needed as well. So we just wanted to partner up on one of those two fronts. Do you have somebody who supplies in one of those two areas?
I use, but the customizations are pretty limited.
Okay. Okay. So yeah, so you're looking a little bit for a more wider variety, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we have decades of hands-on experience with modern CAD technology, and we deliver high-quality custom-made jewelry. Like I said, it's
Nice.
completely in-house. Our guy, the CEO and the owner, and he's based out of, and he does everything himself. So he'll be your single point of contact. So we
Okay.
would love, to partner up with you in that regard. Do you have somebody for repairs, or is that in-house for you?
No, I actually turn all my repair business away.
Really? Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Are you looking to possibly start it back up?
Yeah, I don't have a ton of volume for it, but it'd be nice to satisfy customers who need that help.
Yeah, absolutely, man. And then what's your current process for handling those custom orders at the moment?
What process?
Like your process for handling the custom orders? 'Cause I know you said you have one guy, but he's kind of limited in his supply
Yeah,
or
I
in
just
his
go,
design.
it's a website,
Solar.com.
and it's like a kind of, they have parameters, and you kind of just type in your width and style you want, and they offer different types of finishes, and kind of just send you that.
Yeah, I hear you. Okay, yeah, that's very limited. I hear what you're saying. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Okay, and that I guess that's the challenge that you have with them is that it's just limited in design. Is there any other challenges that you face with Solar.com? I'm not really familiar with that website.
That's pretty much it. Most of my stuff is like all designed by me. But
Okay.
for some men's wedding bands where they want it, and my style is kind of rugged and rough around the edges, but for
Mm,
like luxury pieces, usually men's wedding bands,
I hear you.
which I actually have a client that I just got, so I was going to use Stoller, but maybe I'll try you guys out for that.
Yeah,
Um,
absolutely.
but yeah, like I said, it's low volume, but I definitely have a need for it.
Okay, so I'll tell you what. Here's what I'll do. I'll go ahead and get your information, and we'll send some of our work over to you. And we're also giving
Perfect.
out some free samples, so you'll be able to talk to our CEO in a phone call. And
Nice.
after that phone call, he'll send you some free samples. Could I get your email, man? Oh, and that's all spelled out, right? Scratch and spell.
Correct.
Okay. Perfect. Could I get your last name?
Yeah, definitely.
And this is the best number to reach you?
Yeah.
Okay, so here's what I'll do. What time works best for you for that phone call? So it's a quick phone call with our CEO. He'll go over, what he can do for.
Tomorrow, anytime before 3.
Let's
Yeah,
do 1:15. That's cool for you,
sure.
man. Got it, got it. And I always gotta ask this question just to make sure. Sometimes people are out of state at the time, but you are.
Correct.
Gotcha, gotcha. Well, I do appreciate you, and hopefully you and get something going tomorrow, man.
Nice. Yeah, thank you. What was your name again?
Oh, my.
All right, man. I appreciate the call. I'm glad I answered.
Likewise, likewise. Take care.
All right. Talk to you. Thanks.